10 types of teachers you find in every school assembly. There's one who is always well into it. That's amazing. Children, stop. Look at this. It's unbelievable. Wow. At the complete other end of the scale, there's always a teacher fighting to stay awake. You've always got one who's trying to make eyes to their colleagues to get their attention and have a bit of a gossip. There's always a teacher whose sole focus is finding children not sitting still or behaving. And if it's really bad, then have to give the finger. You'll always have a teacher who'll use it as an opportunity to catch up on some marking. And then there's always a teacher who never wants to be in the assembly. Do we need to stay in for this? Do we need to stay? You want us to stay in? Right, okay. Are you all right just keeping an eye on my class for a minute while I just go and have a lie down? Sorry, go and photocopy my worksheets. There's always a really enthusiastic teacher who wants to join in. Oh, I know the answer. I know the answer. Yeah, I know I'm a fully grown adult, but I know the answer to this. If you've got a special visitor, there'll always be a single teacher trying to get their flirt on. Yeah, so do you come here often? I mean, do you visit schools a lot? I'm always very envious of the teachers who actually sit on the floor with their class, whether that's to set an example or just keep a child company. Who, as an adult, has the back to be able to sit cross-legged on a wooden floor for half an hour? Then you'll always have the computing subject leader with the iPad in their hands trying to gather evidence of this assembly to show that cultural capital. Oh, I forgot to charge it.